I'm saying we have to done the place.
We are going to done out it. Yes,
Done the
girl.
place. Wait there, one lady, one pass. Come, baby, don't be afraid. Come on, honey.
Don't be afraid if your pussy tight, girl. Walk slow if you know your pussy tight, girl.
Tight boom,
Don't be a
boom,
taco.
girl.
Right, your soul.
We have a tight boom, boom, girl.
Let me tell you something now. All you know is your pum pum tight.
Because you have quinty.
You have to quint it. Anybody can quint it. When you know the pum pum tight, I would hold on pan the hold like a condom. When you know the pum pum tight, I want the man to take out him thing out of the condom and your pum pum pull off the condom.
Whoa.
That's what a good pum pum is. Okay, girl? Yes? Yes, sir. Once he got the pum pum there, and he go there, when the pum pum let him go, the pum pum hold up on everything like a skin and I pull it down so. A good pum pum that. Some girls say, when man are with them, them pum pum make all that nice. Them say, I'm going to speak for itself, and lie them a tell. A biggie big. If your pum pum too big, when a man a fuck you full up a ear. Big pussy. So ear for and then, enough girl talk about so when them pum pum attack for themselves, because the pum pum good, a body pum pum body to make nice. Your pum pum sound like you have gas in it, girl. Gas in your pum pum to Ross. And guess what? New style. Members don't have to afraid to come to me. Because me sell pum pum tight now. One of the members see the back there. Me not left it for a blood clot. You don't want to lie me a tell. Me not left it for. See ya? Pum pum tight now. Just a little piece of this in the water. And you wash your pum pum with it. And you go on clear. So me not left this gun no way. Right so you can't get it, girl. See there? Put it on the pussy. Make it tight. Sit down over the bucket. Sit down over the blood clot bucket. Sit down. See there? Pum pum tight. Me say pum pum tight. Body in a pum pum and you know you're right. Feeling right. Me say you're feeling tight. Wash up the pum pum and you must get it right. You know we are talking about the pum pum tight. I don't know. Big up on yourself. And me fi tell you. One.